How to turn off screen mirroring on your device.
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off screen mirroring on your device. Screen mirroring allows you to display the content from your device onto another screen, such as a TV or a computer monitor. But if you want to stop mirroring your screen, I'll guide you through the process. Let's get started.
Disabling screen mirroring on device name.
To turn off screen mirroring on your device name, follow these steps. 1. Step 1. Go to the Settings menu on your device name. You can usually find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. 2. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for an option called Display or Screen. Tap on it to open the display settings. 3. Step 3. Within the display settings, you may find an option named Screen Mirroring or Cast. Tap on it to access the screen mirroring settings. 4. Step 4. Now, you should see a list of available devices or a toggle switch for screen mirroring. Look for the option that allows you to disable or turn off screen mirroring. 5. Step 5. If you see a toggle switch, simply tap on it to turn off screen mirroring. The switch may change its position or color to indicate that screen mirroring is now disabled. 6. Step 6. Alternatively, if you see a list of devices, select your device from the list and choose the option to disconnect or stop mirroring.
Troubleshooting tips.
If you're having trouble finding the screen mirroring settings or encountering any issues, here are a few tips to help you out. Tip 1. Make sure that both your device name and the device you were mirroring to are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring typically requires both devices to be on the same network. Tip 2. Restarting your device name and the receiving device can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Give it a try if you're experiencing any problems. Tip 3. If you're using a specific app for screen mirroring, such as Google Home or Samsung SmartThings, check the app settings for options related to screen mirroring. You might find additional controls or settings there. That's it. You now know how to turn off screen mirroring on your device name. Remember, the steps may vary slightly depending on the specific device model and software version you're using. But in general, you'll find the screen mirroring settings in the device's display or screen settings. If you have any further questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.